Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. I just wanted to give you a quick update. If you guys seen my previous video that I did, it was a great video. You guys should check it out. We called the top and the bottom perfectly here. We caught the bottom. We made this move. I looked at right here. You could see where in my previous video we talked about this. So you guys need to check the previous video out to really understand what's really going on. But right now we're seeing resistance here. At what was it? I had it at 220. What was it? 2557, and we came up just a couple dollars short. It looks like. God, so it's not tracking there. So what was the high? Well, because the daily candle just closed at 8 o'clock. So this is the new high, but we went up to this level, which was 2553. So we're a couple dollars off. But I did talk about potential rollover here and resistance here. And I also talked about this was a take profit area. Okay. So we caught the bottom. I was $2 off here. I was $4 off here, guys. Now, when you trade crypto, if you don't know, things will move like, $10, $20 at a time. So to be a couple dollars off from the tops and the bottoms, guys, this is what I'm doing here. You can watch my videos and see exactly what I'm doing. And then I called this move when everybody was FOMOing into this big pattern, thinking we were going to have this huge breakout. I told you guys, look, man, this is ascending wedge. This is a bearish pattern. Most likely, we're going to roll over and come down here. Okay? And that's exactly what we did. Guys, I'm doing this. I'm not asking you guys for money. I'm not putting links in the description for Webull, or I'm not promoting anything special. Okay? I just started this YouTube channel. I wanted to do it for you guys because I saw a lot of bad content out there, and it was frustrating me, guys, because when you see guys telling you when I'm posting, if you go to StockTwits, you can follow me there. I'm the Gunslinger, and if I'm posting that I'm shorting at 60 grand and I think 65 was the top, and then I hear people saying, oh, we had a dip to 57, buy at 57. And then when we got down and we went back up and everybody said that was the bottom and we're going back up and it was 40,000, that's when I started my YouTube channel. When it hit 30 and bounced back up to 39 or 40, because I saw a lot of I couldn't take it anymore, guys. I just felt bad for people that were losing money on Elon Musk tweets. I felt bad for people losing money on other YouTubers doing technical analysis, and they were just giving out bad information. And these guys, and no disrespect, but some of these guys have 500,000 followers and they're getting 100,000 views. And I'm scratching my head going, God, when they're telling you to buy at this level, I got up out of bed just so I can make the video right here so I can warn people, because I saw other people, sorry about that. I saw other people that were, other YouTubers that were saying, hey guys, we're breaking out here. Okay. So, and I that's it. I'm jumping up out of bed. I made this video. I gave you guys the warning at this exact level. Okay. And, if you see this, okay, that's a 17% move, guys. That's a big time move. So, yeah, you take you give what it is, and now this is where we're at. Okay, I just wanted to clarify some things. So right now looks like we could be rolling over here, right? This next line, it depends. We're on the 1 hour chart. We have 17 minutes left on this candle right here. Okay, now we could see a bounce off this area, which used to be support, which now turns into resistance, right? As you can see here too. Look, this used to be support. It turned into resistance right here as well. So you got multiple touch points, okay? So that's a strong area, guys. All right. So we're going to go back to Bitcoin. Same thing. I called this area, and you guys can watch my last video. 33333. I mean, that's not hard to remember. This is, I mean, I said it in my video. This area was key, that we needed to break above here and hold it as support because it was our previous resistance. Look at all these touches. Okay. Now we came up out of this pattern. We came down. We held it as support. But the reason I'm making this video now because we're breaking down. Okay. So I'm making this emergency video because we are breaking down. And I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just educational purposes only. But we are breaking down, guys. Now, can we wick down and then go back up? We have 17 minutes, maybe. Okay. And we can get above this and keep going. But right now, this is looking like it might roll over. We might get down to this level. So just be aware. Don't freak out. See if we can get a bounce here. If we do not get a bounce here, and we get a candle that closes an hourly or a 4-hourly candle that closes under this level, then guys, we could be looking at, I mean, this could get a little ugly. So we got to be careful right here. Okay. And also tomorrow, I wanted to remind you guys, they're going to do a report on inflation. So I don't know if you guys know this. I'm sure you do because you guys watch crypto like I do. But inflation is a big deal with crypto, right? People are purchasing gold and crypto because of inflation. So tomorrow is kind of a big day. So we got to be very, very wary of this, guys, because inflation, whatever this report could do to crypto, it could be dangerous. So I wanted to give you guys a heads up on that as well. Okay. And we're going to we looked at Ethereum. We looked at Bitcoin. Let's look at Cardano. Cardano, same thing, guys. Look at this. I mean, look, we called the bottom. We called the top once again. I mean, guys, and I talked about this is take profit area in my last video. Okay. We had a great run. I hope you guys did. I mean, if not, hopefully you can get a bounce up. But if you take profit here, even if you bought it here, you're still saving yourself. Let's say, what is this? Let's just look. What's that? 4 or 5% or 4%, 3.5%. So, I mean, you want to take profits, guys. I mean, come on. This is crypto. Okay, we take profits. If you're gonna be a trader, you're gonna milk it for everything it's got, right? How many times, I don't know, you guys watch my previous videos, how many times in this trend, okay? I'm gonna show you guys. We bought these bottoms and sold these tops, and bought these bottoms and sold these tops, and bought the bottoms and sold the top. Actually, right here was the Elon Musk move. And that was my lone trade that I did lose, guys, because I thought we were going to break out right here, and that was on me. Which we had the breakout. But the volume was kind of low, so I know Elon Musk tweeted and kind of ruined it for everybody. You could see my divergence right here that we had. We had a nice W pattern right here. But yeah. I mean, Elon Musk came in at the perfect time on this red candle and dumped us. So, hey, you could blame it on him or you could blame it on technical analysis. I'm going to blame it on myself because it is what it is. We can't win them all. We won all these trades going up to this point. We're still winning these trades. One bad trade out of all these trades. I mean, and guys, on Matic, we made 228%? I mean, if you watch that video, 228%. I mean, guys, we're killing it here. We're killing it here. I just started this channel. We are killing it. Okay. Now, we looked at Cardano, right? We looked at Cardano. Let's look at Matic. Boom. Guys, can we make this up? I said right here in my last video, 146 has to hold. It held here. Then I said this was resistance. This is take profit area. We're rolling over, guys. We're rolling over. Let's see if we get a bounce. Let's see if this holds. Let's see if the 29 holds, guys. But, I mean, I want to do the best I can for you guys. I'm not asking for money. Okay, I just started my YouTube channel. I just started a Twitter account. And all I'm asking for is for you guys to go to my Twitter, follow me, Moondog Trading 1. I'm the gunslinger at Stock Twits. Okay, Stock Twits is STOCK, and people think it's Twitter like a Twitter, but it's Twits, TWITS. Okay, you can get that on an app, or you can get on your computer. There's a lot of things you can do, but I also do updates and follow-ups here, and I post my videos here. This is a great way to learn. There's also a lot of other traders on here that give out some pretty good information when it comes to news and stuff. I mean, me personally, I'm just a chart guy. You can see some of my old charts. I mean, look at some of these old charts I did. I mean, they're incredible. I mean, look at this. Guys, I called this short at 60K. My target was 47. We nailed it to the dollar, guys. I mean, that short was incredible. I mean, see, that's the thing, guys. You know, if you learn, I try to make this channel for beginning traders, so I'm keeping everything very, very simple so you guys understand my videos. I'm not going crazy into detail. I'm not drawing crazy up. I mean, eventually I'm going to show you guys more. Like, we can do little tricks, okay? Let's say, what do you want to look at? Let's say Ethereum right here, okay? We're going to look at Ethereum. Now, we have everything to our disposal here. Look at this, guys. We can do a cyber pattern. Look, triangle patterns, 3 drives. I love 3 drives, right? All these things, right? Okay. We have the fork. We have a fib fan. Okay. So if you guys don't know, it's a Fibonacci fan. I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. So let's just do it. Let's just do it, right? We're just gonna grab a random indicator, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how much time do I have left here. Let's see. I'm gonna end this video. I got to end it at 20 minutes. So we'll just do something cool, right? Like a fib fan, right? Because a lot of people don't do this. All right. So we're gonna start at the bottom. Okay. We're gonna go to the top of the move. Okay. If I can get on, if it locks on there, it locks on everything else. I'm having trouble locking on, guys. This is Trading View. There we go. That's the best I'm going to get, right? Try and make it as accurate as possible. Okay. So here's our fib fan. Okay. You can see right here where we touched. Little tricks you can do, guys. Little tricks you can do. Okay. So this is called a fib fan. I mean, this is something you can use the Fibonacci retracement tools. You can use, Fibonacci retracement. It's a little bit better. The fib fan is more, you wouldn't want to use it right there. I was just giving you an example. You'd want to use that on a higher time frame at the bottom of the move to the top of the move and kind of do it like that. I was just giving you examples, so don't beat me up for it, guys. I was just kind of showing you how it works, okay? Now this is called an anchor VWAP, okay? So I'm going to give you guys just little lessons here because right now we're in no man's land, okay? We're waiting to see if this holds. But like say the top of this move, right? Okay, that's the VWAP, okay? Anchor VWAP. Now we can go to settings. So that's the high of it, okay? So now I'm going to do it again, okay? Anchor VWAP. And anybody can do this on TradingView. Okay, so anchor VWAP. And now I'm going to go to settings, and I'm going to go to the low of the move, right? Now look, so this could act as resistance, and this could act as support if it flips. So if it gets above there. Okay, so there's little tricks you can do, guys. Little easy things, right? Then if you guys want to find volume, look, there's an indicator you can find over here. Okay, I believe it's here. Fixed range volume profile, okay? So if we click on this, okay, and I drag this from this end to this end, guess what it's going to do? It's going to show me the highest volume, where the highest volume is in the area. Okay, so once we get down here into this area, once we break this, we can drop this support could, and then we got to worry about this trend line, okay? So we want this trend line to hold up. Let me go to a higher time frame so you guys get a better idea, right? Okay. And I'm going to explain this to you guys. This is the long-term trend. This started at $500 on Ethereum. I know I explained this in my past videos, but for some of you guys that haven't seen it, I'm explaining it again. And you can see right here, actually, we're going to go to daily because you're supposed to really use the daily, right? This is more of a daily move, so you can see how you shouldn't be using it on the hourly chart. That's my bad, guys. All right, so we're going to go to the daily, right? Because the daily is what really matters. And you can see here how this trend is held up this whole time, all the way up from $500. We had a wick down, but then we wicked back up. We touched it here. We came back up. We had a wick down. We came back up, right? Or actually, I'm sorry. We came down. We wicked down. And then we came here and we came back up. We wicked down. But we never closed. We had one close right here on this whole trend, all the way from $500, guys. We're at, what, $24.69? So we had one close here. Okay, and look at that. Is that perfect? I mean, look at my line. I mean, we won't even get started. But we have one close here, okay? That one close, people freaked out. It wicked down. This is when the freak out happened. So it closed here, but it actually came all the way. I'm sorry. Yeah, it closed here, but it came all the way down to here. So it came down to 1730. Okay, then people bought it back up. Then a new candle opened right here at the bottom of this level, right? This came down for a second, touched this support, which was right here from the previous support. That's how we got it. Okay. Actually, yep. Okay, so it came down, it touched, but as soon as this came down, as soon as this closed, they pulled it back in. They were playing games of this right here, right? So that's the only time of candles closed under this trend line. So we don't want that. And we haven't got a confirmation of Ethereum going down more. How much time do I have left? Sorry, guys, I got to check this. I only got 3 minutes left. You can see everything that we talked about. But what we don't want to see, okay, and now this could go, Ethereum's been, I mean, Bitcoin's always leading the way, but Ethereum's been dominating lately, guys. So, and if you look at the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, I mean, it's pretty obvious, right? So we're following Ethereum closely. But if we get a candle, a 4-hour candle under this, or even a daily under this trend, and we come down and we flirt around and we get it closed under here, and then we come up and we retest this, if we don't go back up above this white trend here, okay, like we did here, if we get rejected, this can roll over and get really ugly, guys. I'm warning you guys right now. If that happens, be prepared. You can, I'm not a financial advisor, but you can short, you can make money on the way down, or, save yourself a bunch of money if you see that happen. Now, if it busts through like it did here, you're going to see FOMO. The reason for that is because it didn't get rejected here. It went above the trend, and that was a bullish sign, so everybody bought. So that was a huge move, right? Boom, huge move. 40% move, guys. So that's where we're at. So I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Keep your eye on Ethereum for that move because it's dangerously getting close to falling out of the trend. Matic, we talked about this. I don't know. Oh, there's my trend. I was gonna say I don't know what happened. Okay, so here's my trend on Matic, right? And we came down and we talked about this, and we got so. I mean, look at this, guys. We bought at this area right here. Okay, because of my Bitcoin charts, and I told you guys what I was doing at the time, and we got Matic. I mean, and look at this move, guys. Almost a 200% move to the upside. I mean, just amazing. So let's just keep it going. I'm going to keep you guys updated. I got to go. 24 seconds. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Show me love. That's all I'm asking for. Peace out, guys.